We will learn about electric sequence operation and PLC through given examples. Hello. Understand the electrical sequence configuration given in the screen configuration and the operation of the various electrical appliances inside the control box. On the left side of the screen are several buttons, lamps and limit switches, and a fire detector based on the control box. And in the center of the screen is a brief description of each instrument. And below are several relays inside the control box. First, let's take a look at the manual and automatic operation of the electrical sequence and the configuration of each PLC operation. The GL0 lamp lights up when the circuit breaker for the first time is input. Manual operation and automatic operation are determined by DC relay RY1. When the user presses the push button PB6, power is supplied to the DC relay RY1 in the PCB circuit. User can select manual or automatic operation by relay RY1 contact. To turn off the DC relay RY1, press the push button PB5. Depending on the DC relay power supply status, the RY1 contact changes and the user can easily select manual or automatic operation. One more thing we need to know. When the circuit breaker for the first time is input, it is in manual state. At this time, the GL0 lamp lights up. However, when the user presses the push button PB6, it is automatically operated. At this time, the GL0 lamp turns off and the RL2 lamp turns on. If the overcurrent relay EOCR trip occurs or if the detectors FD1 and FD2 are input in automatic operation, the RL2 lamp goes out. First, in the manual operation, when the user presses the push button PB1, the MC1 power is supplied to the magnetic contactor and the GL1 lamp lights up. At this time, the motor rotates in the forward direction. Here, the fire shutter is opened and closed according to the direction of the motor. The fire shutter is lowered when the motor rotates in the forward direction. Then, if there is a limit switch LS1 input, the motor operation will stop. And when the user presses the push button PB2, the magnetic contactor MC2 is supplied with power and the GL2 lamp lights up. At this time, the motor rotates in the opposite direction and the fire shutter is raised. Then, if there is a limit switch LS2 input, motor operation will stop. In manual operation, the user can press the push button PB1 to lower the fire shutter and push button PB2 to raise the fire shutter. Each limit switch LS1 and LS2 stops the operation. Now, let's take a look at the automatic operation. The user presses the push button PB6 to change to the automatic operation state. The GL0 lamp goes out and the RL2 lamp lights up. Here, if the fire is confirmed by the fire detectors FD1 and FD2, power is supplied to the relays RY2 and flicker FR. At this time, RL2 lamp turns off and RL1 lamp flickers by flicker FR. Here, the flicker setting time is 2 seconds. When the fire is confirmed through the fire detectors FD1 and FD2, the fire shutter is lowered. If this is the case, the user can press the push button PB0 to temporarily stop the fire shutter. The motor can be temporarily stopped when the push button PB0 is held down. The fire protection shutter keeps coming down and the motor is stopped again by the limit switch LS1. If the fire is over and you need to raise the fire shutter, you must switch to manual operation. And the user can press the push button PB2 to raise the fire shutter. Lastly, let's look at the operation of the overcurrent relay. When the overcurrent relay EOCR trip occurs, power is supplied to the relay RY3 and all operations of the electrical sequence are stopped. And, through the RY3 contact, the YL lamp can be alerted through the PLC. Check the operation configuration of the YL lamp in the PLC program. And PLC controls PL1, PL2, PL3, and PL4 lamps by push buttons PB3 and PB4. For the PLC program used in the corresponding electric sequence, please check the description below the video.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button.
PB1.
Release the
PB1.
button. Input on. LS1.
Input off.
LS1. Press the
PB2.
button. Release the
PB2.
button. Input on. LS2. Input off. LS2. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Press the button PB6. Release the button PB6. FD1. Input on. LS1. Detector release. Press the button PB0. Input off. LS1. Release the button PB0. Detect D2. Input on. LS1. Detect release. Press the button PB0. Input off. LS1. Release the PB0. Press the button PB5. Release the button PB5. Press the button PB3. Release the button PB3. Press the button PB3. Release the button. Press the button PB3. Release the PB3. Press the button. Release the button. Press the PB3. Release the button. PB3. Press the PB3. Release the button. Press the button PB3. Release the button PB3. Press the button PB3. Release the button. Press the button PB3. Release the button PB3. Press the button PB4. Release the button PB4. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Today's learning topic is the electrical sequence of the fire shutter's behavior in the event of a fire. The motor is operated manually by the user and the operation of each motor is limited by the limit switch. In the automatic state, the fire shutter can be automatically activated in the event of a fire through the fire detector. In case of fire in various places such as buildings, large shops, shopping malls, etc., the fire can be prevented from spreading through the fire shutter. We should always protect people and property against fire. You will find a little more helpful in learning these electrical sequence constructs. Also, please find some limitations for each purpose or what is the application of it. You can understand the PLC operation and apply it to configure the automatic operation of another electrical sequence. Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.